Can you play basketball in Yeezys? The answer is... What's up, YouTube? Quentin Banks is in the building. We got the Yeezy basketball shoes. These are Yeezy's first basketball shoe he released. Team, this is a big box. Like, this box is a nice size box. Now, for some people who don't know, this is not the first time that Kanye West tried to produce an NBA basketball sneaker. This is his lifestyle model of the sneakers that I have. But let's talk about the sneakers that he created and the NBA actually banned for a second, and they are here. As you guys can see here, these are crazy, right? These are super crazy, but the NBA banned them because of the flash of the 3M was just so bright. You know, with the NBA with a lot of cameras, a lot of flashes, they said that NBA players could go blind. It was harmful, so Yeezy had to actually dim down on those, and these were actually a pair of samples that he wore. Now we got Kim K here. She's wearing a lifestyle model as well. These do not have any 3M in them at all, but as you guys can see, they're black, gray, cream. You know, she did the sweatpants, the t-shirt, you know, the colors go crazy. But yeah, let's get right into this. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe. In the house, you know, these are clearly the most comfortable shoes I've set my foot in. But yeah, I'm gonna do a review on these because we're gonna be on a basketball court. So we're about to see what these actually feel on a basketball court. The traction, stability. I like this part of it because it reminds me of these ones. So I like that a lot. Yeah. Y'all got any questions with these? Drop the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. I don't have any scissors. I'm just gonna rip this on. These are crazy. It's comfortable.
Well, so those look comfortable.
Like my fist in the pillow. Hey, no, let me stop. Can you hoop in the Yeezys? We're about to get right into this. Are they comfortable? What's the traction like? Will you be sliding? Will your ankle break? Will your ankle twist? We're gonna find out all of these questions, and I'm gonna let you guys know if I leave out this gym with my ankles, because this is Yeezy's first basketball shoe, and we're about to get into this. Guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We got that giveaway still going on. Check the other videos out if you guys want to be entered. Let's get into this. But first, we're gonna do the shooting drills. We're gonna do some shooting drills. Simple shooting drills. Let's go. 8-0. But the big question is, can you play basketball in Yeezys? The answer is yes. These Yeezy basketball sneakers are probably the most comfortable shoes I've put my foot in. On the court or off the court, by far on the court, the most comfortable shoes I put my foot in. You have the boost technology. You know, you got the crazy way these shoes like fit your foot, like the structure all the way around it. They're high tops. You know, like I said, the boost, you got shoelaces. And the traction is all the way there. You know, I mean, the traction is there is way better than I thought it would be, you know. And as far as me sliding, this court is actually, you guys can see the dust on the court, you know. But with that being said, I was still able to, you know, get traction. You know, they're not the lightest, but they're not the heaviest. As you guys can see there, I was able to elevate on my jump shot. You know, I wasn't sliding for the most part. You know, but overall, it's a good shoe. And like I said, it may be the best basketball shoes I've ever put my foot in. I can say that. The best basketball shoe I ever put my foot in. And it's stylish too. You know, it's very, very stylish. I want to know what you guys think of this shoe. You know, just off appearance, just off of what you guys just seen. What do you guys think of the shoe? Do you want a pair of Yeezys? You know, what's your favorite pair of Yeezys? You know, drop the comments below. As I mentioned in the other video, I'm still doing that giveaway, so it's open for anybody that's watching this video. All you guys gotta do is like it, drop the comments below and say enter me in the giveaway. And yeah, very, very simple. Hope that answered all your questions. Like this video and subscribe.